Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean the main brush on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To clean the main brush, remove the device from the station. I'll pause it because it'll probably try going somewhere. Now, as you can see, we have the main brushes here. To remove them, you'll need to squeeze right here to remove this sort of cover. Now remove those brushes like so, pretty easy. And as you can see, there's the red one, the gray one. You can rinse them with water. Make sure you let them dry for several hours before you put them in, and then put the gray one where the gray arrow is, and there is the red one with the red hole, so put the red one there. Now it's important also that you know which side to do it, because you can see the sides are different, so you'll just feel it if it doesn't fit, so it's not really that hard. Yeah, I think it should be this way, just like so. Attach it, then this one. Basically, if the L and R letters are visible, then it's the correct way. And yeah, that's it. Close the cover, attach it like that, make sure it clicks. And it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.